everyone, it's Fireworks Freak here again. I just wanted to show you some of these old firecrackers I had from when I was really young. I think it was late 80s, early 90s. I bought them when I was in New Hampshire. And these are leftover package of a Thunderbomb, brick of Thunderbombs. I actually had a brick of Blackcats too, but I was using them all when I was a kid. Class C there. I actually have a few packs left. These are still stuck together there. Yeah, so holding on to those, and I have these Boomer supercharged flashlight ladyfingers. Class C, and sorry for the glare. And I have leftover packaging from bottle rockets I had as well. Blackcat, Class C, and a couple wrappers from them. And I also have one pack of old Blackcats left. Camera's not going to focus, but you can see those. And then here's a new pack of Blackcats. See the size difference, and or at least maybe it's size difference, but they're anyway, that's what I have left of my old firecrackers from the late 80s and early 90s. Just wanted to share that with anyone because I know there's a lot of collectors online. And anyway, thanks for watching, guys.